Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best digital cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Olympus Tough TG 6 waterproof camera. The Olympus Tough TG 6 waterproof camera is the perfect choice for capturing all of your outdoor adventures. The camera is waterproof up to 50 feet, shockproof up to 7 feet, crushproof up to 220 pounds, dustproof and freeze-proof down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera is equipped with a 12MP BSI CMOS sensor, as well as a TruePic 8 image processor and a 4x optical zoom lens with a 25 to 100 mm equivalent focal length. The camera also has a 3.0-inch LCD monitor, built-in Wi-Fi, and is capable of capturing full HD 1080p video. With its rugged construction and versatile features, the Olympus Tough TG6 waterproof camera is the ideal choice for capturing stunning photos and videos of your outdoor activities. Pros: waterproof up to 50 feet. Shockproof up to 7 feet. Crushproof up to 220 pounds. Freeze-proof down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Dustproof. 4x optical zoom. High-resolution macro shooting. Pro capture mode. Cons: no built-in Wi-Fi. Screen is not touch-enabled. Battery is not rechargeable. No GPS tracking capabilities. Number 2. Our second best pick is Panasonic Lumix DC ZS70S 4K digital camera. The Panasonic Lumix DC ZS70S is the perfect camera for capturing all of your special moments. With a 20.3 megapixel sensor and 4K digital video recording capabilities, you can capture stunning photos and videos with incredible detail. The 3-inch 180-degree flip front display is touch-enabled, allowing you to easily access the camera's features and settings. The 30x Leica DC Vario Elmar lens provides amazing optical zoom capabilities to ensure you can capture all of the action up close. Additionally, the camera is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to easily share your photos and videos with friends and family. The Panasonic Lumix DC ZS70S is the perfect choice for capturing all of your special moments with stunning clarity. Pros: 20.3 megapixel camera. 4K digital camera. Touch-enabled 3-inch 180-degree flip front display. 30x Leica DC Vario Elmar lens. Wi-Fi enabled. Silver color. Cons: no built-in viewfinder. Battery life is limited. Number 3. Our third best pick is Canon Camera's US Point and Shoot digital camera. The Canon US Point and Shoot digital camera with 3.0-inch LCD, black is the perfect camera for any photography enthusiast. This capable camera is packed with features, such as a 3.0-inch LCD screen, a powerful 20.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, and an impressive 5x optical zoom lens. With this camera, you'll be able to capture stunning photos and videos with ease. Additionally, this camera has built-in Wi-Fi, making it easy to share your photos and videos with friends and family. Whether you're a beginner or a professional photographer, you'll be able to get the most out of this camera. With its powerful features and easy-to-use design, the Canon US Point and Shoot digital camera with 3.0-inch LCD, black is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance camera. Pros: small and compact size. 3.0-inch LCD for easy viewing. High-quality images. User-friendly controls. Affordable price. Cons: limited features. Lack of manual settings. Limited zoom range. Smaller sensor size than professional cameras. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fujifilm FinePix XP140 waterproof digital camera. The Fujifilm FinePix XP140 waterproof digital camera with 16GB SD card is the perfect camera for capturing your most memorable moments. This camera is waterproof up to 25 meters and has a bright, 16-megapixel CMOS sensor for clear, vibrant images. It also offers a 5x optical zoom and an LED light for improved low-light performance. The camera also has a variety of shooting modes, including an underwater mode, a panoramic shooting mode, and a movie mode. The 16GB SD card provides plenty of storage, and the camera is Wi-Fi enabled so you can easily transfer images and videos to your computer or smartphone. With the Fujifilm FinePix XP140, you'll be able to capture all of life's moments in stunning clarity. Pros: waterproof up to 82 feet. 16GB SD card included. 16.4 megapixels for crystal clear images. 5x optical zoom. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled for easy sharing. Shockproof up to 5.9 feet. Cons: not compatible with older operating systems. Battery life can be short. Limited video resolution options. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Ricoh WG6 Webcam Orange Waterproof Camera. Take your photography to the next level with the Ricoh WG6 Webcam Orange Waterproof Camera. This powerful camera boasts a 20-megapixel resolution for clearer, sharper images. The 3-inch LCD screen offers a crystal clear view of your photos and videos. And with its waterproof construction and 20mm shockproof rating, you can take your camera with you wherever you go. Plus, it has a 2.1-meter underwater mode which lets you capture stunning shots even deeper beneath the surface. The 6 LED ring light is perfect for macro photography and allows you to take close-up shots with beautiful detail. With the Ricoh WG6 Webcam Orange Waterproof Camera, you can take your photography to the next level. Pros: high-resolution 20MP images. 3-inch LCD display. Waterproof up to 20 meters. Shockproof up to 2.1 meters. Underwater mode. 6 LED ring light for macro photography. Cons: expensive price. Bulky design. Requires specialized batteries. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.